What's up, adventurers? Today we're going to be checking out the Nomatic travel pack. The folks at Nomatic have been making travel gear for a while now, and this is their travel backpack. It's a 20-liter bag, but expands to 30 liters. And it has a ton of features. It is water resistant, and even though it has a bunch of features, it has a nice, sleek form. The material is nice and soft. It has kind of this like satin finish. There's a giant handle on top that has probably one of the biggest cushions I've seen on an handle. And unlike most backpacks, the handle is actually attached to the strap, not to the top of the bag. That's an interesting design. You can see here. Straps are padded. There's a adjustable sternum strap. There's a pass-through feature for luggage and a nice cushion back with some airflow. On the sides, there are straps on either side as well, so that you can hold it sideways. They're not quite as cushioned as the top one, but very solid. And the water bottle holders have a built-in magnet, which keeps this nice and sleek along the bag when you don't have a water bottle in it. So there's a secret pocket here that covers maybe about this much of the bag. Looks like it's for like passport, wallet, some cash, anything that you just want hidden away, especially when you're traveling. If you have this on, you know, it's right against your back. Nobody's getting in there without you noticing. All right, let's check out this front pocket. Whoa, that's a lot of organization. Okay, we got 4 elastic mesh pockets. You have kind of a divider on the bottom, even though I don't know that that's necessary. Let's see if I can show that to you. See, there's a little flap down here, so you can still divide stuff on the bottom. On the front side, you have an RFID safe zippered pocket, a couple pen slots, 2 more elastic mesh pockets, and 1 more zippered pocket behind it. If you like organizing when you travel, I have a feeling this is going to be for you. There's a zippered pocket here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is a felt lined pocket. It's about this big. Keys, phone. There's also a little pass-through slot here, which I'm not sure where that goes, but it feels like it's for like a charging cable. We're going to keep digging deeper to see what else we find. Whoa! So if we kind of continue that thread, you see this little hole here. This is where that feed through was for that small pocket on the top. So I assume if you have a cable or a power bank and you want to charge, you could put it in here and run the cable through and keep your phone charged. On the front side, there are 2 mesh zippered pockets. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of backpacks. It's just more features every time I look. On the sides of the backpack, there are 4 mesh elastic pockets. Looks like a couple of them might have something in there. This one is empty, but it does have like a little nylon hook here. I'm not sure what you would put in there. The bottom one has a retractable key ring. That's really interesting. Look at that. So that you can still get to your keys, unlock any doors you have, but make sure it's nice and secure in there. And it's actually attached to another loop inside of this mesh pocket. So I'm assuming that you can put it up here as well. On the other side, you have 1 mesh pocket down here and another mesh pocket for, whoa, glasses case. Okay. A glasses case, hard plastic case to keep it really nice and secure. I typically would not travel with something this big for my glasses. I use what is called a lens jacket. I will have to show you that on a different video. It's perfect for just protecting the lenses, and it takes up much less space. On the main section, you unzip this little mesh area that separates it, and there is another pocket here. They put shoes in there, which is cool. That makes sense. Throw shoes in there, keeps it away from your clothes, but still easy access. I do like that there's a separate area here, this mesh area, to where you can kind of pack clothes away and keep it separated, but still have access to all this other stuff. So many pockets. Okay, let's look at the back. More organization. Okay. Backside, little half pocket. Again, maybe some documents you can put there. And then on the back portion of your backpack, this is where your laptop, tablets go. Has a nice little Velcro to keep it secure in there. It has felt lining And of course it is offset from the bottom so that if you do drop your laptop in, it doesn't just slam against the ground. Lastly, there is a zipper to expand the whole thing. And as I mentioned, it goes from a 20 liter to a 30 liter bag with the expansion. That is a ton of extra space. All right, so there it is expanded. And there's another zippered pocket here. Crazy. So if you do expand it to the 30 liter size, you now have a different way to open the bag. You can open it like a clamshell, and it opens right into that zippered section where I talked about wanting to keep my clothes with this big elastic area. So that's the third access point into your bag if you're carrying it in the 30 liter size. That's huge. So you're able to pack your clothes in here, have easy access to it with that clamshell opening, but then still pack all your day-to-day items in the other pockets and have it nice and organized. With all the features, this bag is a little bit heavier than other bags. But again, if you are a organized traveler, you like to have a space for everything, this is one of the best bags I've seen for that. I'm gonna link to this bag below so you can pick one up and check out the different color options. If you have any more questions, let me know. And if there are any other bags you want me to check out, let me know in the comments below as well. Thanks and happy adventuring.